Welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Odona Gregori, and with this meditation, you will learn how to transform your thoughts and recover your well-being. Getting ready for a relaxed sleep. Restoring sleep. You will learn how to transform thoughts that harm your well-being, keeping you blocked and with a feeling of heavy density, stress, or with anxiety from your day. You will get your heart in coherence with your mind, and you will feel calm, relaxed, and the quietness of your inner space with a peaceful mind, so you can rest and sleep to restore and get energy again. Allow your attention to focus on you. Find a comfortable place to relax and bring your attention from the outer world to your inner self. Just as you listen my voice, find the space between these words, the inner space between your thoughts, the space in you, yourself, in your heart area, your heart energy center, your core. Now, you are able to start to connect with. Feel your energy in this space, the center of your love, the heart of your life, the door to connect with your soul, your spirit. Focus on the truth of love in you as a divine power. You are connecting with its energy, beginning to perceive its energy. Experience divine light and angelic energy coming into you, around you. Inhale the light, and as you exhale, relax more and more. You can put your hands over your heart to connect and feel more this inner space in you, its energy running through your body from the head to your toes, relaxing the parts of your body, muscles that need to relax with every breath you take. You hear my voice and you feel lighter and lighter, more and more relaxed, letting go any stress or anxiety in your body with every exhalation you make, and with every inhalation you get more deeply relaxed. Breathe in. Fill your lungs with air. Bring it down to your abdomen and exhale, and let yourself fall lighter and lighter, becoming more present, more aware, here and now, to your inner space, to yourself, to your sacred inner self. Feel the love and the angelic energy illuminating you from your heart outwards to your aura. Now imagine a platform of golden light, an angelic energy beneath you, creating a base for you to lift you up. Now, feel the golden angelic energy around you, its angelic frequency, as your body relaxes more and more, surrounded by that positive golden light of height, frequency and vibration. Breathe in again and feel lighter and lighter. Take a deep breath and move your attention to your heart, the fourth energetic center. Take a deep breath and go to the center of your emotions, the center of your heart, the center of love. It's the center of harmony in your soul. Feel if you're happy or not. Feel the emotional harmony in you. Check all the emotions in you. Are you angry? If so, why? Who made you angry? And what were the reasons? Do you feel hurt by something or someone? By someone? Focus your attention on that and let it go with every breath you take, with every exhalation. Let go these emotions disappear in a mist, far away. Don't carry that feeling or excitement throughout this precious night with you. Have you hurt anyone today? Does someone's heart feel pain because you've hurt them? If so, send them a blessing before you go to sleep. Feel the energies of love, compassion, gratitude for other people, and love. Feel the energies of love, compassion, gratitude, appreciation of other people, and love of this life. Feel these energies in your heart and walk through what your day, visualizing how you are living those energies in every place, with every person you have been with. Focus now on attitudes and feelings about love, on your need to be loved, and on the people you love dearly. Ask your soul to become strong enough through the night to enter only loving thoughts. Because just as the sun will rise in the morning and your soul returns to your body, you will want your soul to be stronger than it is now. Just a little more strength makes a big difference in how you will live your life tomorrow. Now, the challenge we have as task is forgiveness. How have you done today in terms of forgiveness? Think about those you need to forgive and put them in front of you, one by one. Stand in front of them and say, "This is what I need to forgive about you. I'm working on forgiving you for this or that." Now, go back to the beginning and look at that first person. Give them a basket of rose petals and say, "We need to work on forgiveness together. I'll find you tonight. I'll see you on the energetic level. Find me there." Pass to the next person with the basket of rose petals and tell him, "I need to find you tonight. Find me on the energy level. I'll be there." Now move on to the third, to the fourth. Now we move on to the events that you need to let go because you have been hurt. Go back to those events and leave rose petals there and say, "I want to learn from you now. I want to be at peace with you. Talk to me in my dream state." Continue to prepare for this eve, for your sleeping, by saying the following prayer. I want to know more about love. You can put your hands in your heart to continue to prepare for the eve. By saying the following prayer. I want to know more about love. Teach me more about love while I sleep. Teach me more about how to love while I sleep. And teach me how to love life more while I sleep.